My name is Alan Mwelwa, and at Amiran, I am a team lead in the Technology and Innovations Department. So we have a department that takes care of technology. So purely just everything to do with technology is what we run. As Amiran Technology and Innovations, we've got different types of technologies that we offer. So basically starting from the technologies like the access control systems, video surveillance systems like the CCTVs, intrusion detection systems like the alarm systems, and also beyond that we've got network security, cyber security, and perimeter security solutions. So those are like the main category and the main line of technologies that we offer. Generally, when we try to scope a new solution or to do an assessment for something that is needed from a client, most of the things comes, or the information really that we work with has to come from the client themselves, because most of the solutions that we offer are more tailor-made kind of solutions. We don't really have like out-of-a-shelf solution that will give us a client. No. We have solutions that are tailor-made in every case. So really, most of the time, we have to do like a site assessment for us to really understand the full scope and the requirement of what is needed. Of course, with experience, some solutions we've done before, and some things we may just have to replicate what we've done before, because these setups are usually the same. Say you're doing a warehouse, for instance. We've done a lot of warehouses. So, or maybe if it's a solution for a way bridge, we've done a couple of way bridges before. So they've got standard requirements. A way bridge, the length, the requirement, all those things are the same. So the scoping may be done in the previous solution that you did, because you know, oh, in the previous solution, the way bridge was 12 meters in length, and we needed so much cabling, and we did ABCD. So you can actually just use the same scope that you did and then bring it up. So you may not have to do a full site survey in that case, but of course you have to plan for incidentals and other things. As Amiran Technology and Innovations, we have certain clients that we have service agreements with, or trying to do maintenance and solution with the solutions that we've actually provided in the past, or some of them that we're trying to get into. So with the ever-changing environment, especially with like technology is one of the most changing industry, and every time there's new solutions that are coming up. The only way we can keep ourselves appropriate or relevant is by keeping ourselves up to date with technology itself, by doing training. So with training, we've got a lot of affiliations with our partners that we work with. So all these people like Motorola that we mentioned, we've got certain training agreements that we have with them, which they offer across the group and even here in Zambia. But with COVID, we now actually have more online trainings that we've been doing, and every so often, every quarter and every second month, we actually perform, and we go online and get ourselves in touch with new trends and innovations that are coming up, and we get trained. With technology, as it keeps moving, one thing you must understand also is that with technology, we've got the basic principle, or this first principles of technology basically still remains the same, and they're almost the same. What starts to change is maybe with time, with business, there's certain demands and certain needs from the business, from industries, from end users, to say we need a system that can maybe stretch over 10 kilometers. We need a system that will give us a wider coverage. Technology starts changing and starts moving. Screens become bigger from smaller screens. Coverage becomes wider. You can reach more wider coverage. Memory grows. Instead of you having a small space for you to store your information, you have larger memory, and also the cost starts going slightly lower. So with time, with the trending time, there are certain technologies that yes, we can affiliate ourselves with, but we just have to keep, the most important thing is just to keep ourselves appropriate, trained, skilled, and understanding new innovations that are coming up. Then we can always know the new things and the solutions that's basically trending and that's coming up, and you can work with it because the principle behind it is just the same. What just changes is maybe it becomes more intelligent, or it becomes wireless. You don't really have to physically run cables through. They put a wireless transmitter and receiver, and they communicate via wireless instead of them being physical cabled. So technologies just start moving with time, and then you just, once you are up to date with technology, you're trained, then you can understand what's moving.